Action. We in the kitchen. We in the kitchen. Samuel's about to ruin the video. Okay. Action. I kind of have always been like obsessed with watching videos of like people making drinks that are like layered, and I really want to learn how to do it. I googled a little bit, and it's mostly with like alcohol, and like if you have like I said like way too many times, if you have like lemonade and stuff, but I don't, so I'm just gonna attempt to do it with what I have. So it's probably isn't gonna turn out, but we're gonna try. Let's go. Okay. I have this mug I'm gonna use. We're gonna do 1 pump vanilla. And we're gonna actually take this off so you can see it better. Then we're gonna do cherry. Ice time. I'm not supposed to fill the whole thing. So that's what we're gonna do. No! Do I do milk first or the tea? Milk. Milk goes first. Use this. Barista soup. Ooh. I feel like I was supposed to shake it. Probably. We're gonna do 1/2 cup. Okay, let's fill this. Yeah. Okay, chill. Okay. This is where it gets scary. I think I want to do it in this hand. Okay, it says downside and like to a tilt. So that means I have to like this. This. I'm supposed to do it slowly. No. Wait, no, because it's like going up. So maybe yes. It's good. I'll hold it better. I need to go slower. I think I'm supposed to do it like whatever, you know, I give up. I've decided I'm giving up. But also I'm not. But also I am. See, look, it's like kind of... I think I'm supposed to hold it like sideways. The cup sideways. I made the tea in this cup and then I put it in this freaking McDonald's cup that I had coffee in earlier. So okay, let's try this again. How am I supposed to hold this and slant it at the same time? So you want to do it like off the spoon, but how do I do that? Oh. Slow. Wait, kind of. You can like sort of see it. Okay. Like that. Okay, I kind of. Alright. Shout out my Cow Imperial tea for this reusable cup. I feel like I could just... I don't have enough space for all of this though. Should I try it again but in here? Oh my gosh. I feel like the lighting in here is just dookie though. Okay. I had a straw somewhere. Okay, let me bring it to y'all though. Let's get a good side angle. Let's see, this side? No, this side looks better. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, better angle. Better lighting. You can still see that's like white. It's not mixing. I don't want to drink it layered. I just want it to look pretty. Although I've never actually tried this with cherry syrup, the butterfly pea flower tea. I've tried it with peach and it was good. Let's see. I'm also using a different milk. So maybe that's also why it tastes really good. I've got to drink a ton of this so I can pour that in there. Okay. Is it gonna layer again? No, because I'm not doing the whole. I kind of did. Okay, I'll show you guys from an actual better angle this time. Whee! Look at that. Here, let me put it against this. Like, I'm gonna drink this now. And I'm so happy. I'm gonna search up like recipes and how to do it, and I'm gonna make this little series of trying different things. I'm gonna get lemonade, and I think it's like sparkling soda or something. I don't know. Sparkling water. Why did I say sparkling soda? Whatever. Ha 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 ha. That is probably melting. I gotta go.
The